How to find blocked users list on Rednote. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how you can find your blocked users list on Rednote application. So if you're wondering how you can do that, these are the processes you may follow and you should be able to find your blocked user list on Rednote. So go ahead and launch your Rednote application onto your device and log in. After you have logged in, you can go ahead and tap on the Me tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. Just go ahead and tap on it, and you will be taken to the space. So in order to view your blocked users list, you can go ahead and tap on this gear icon beside profile. Just tap on it and you will be taken to the section. So under this, you will be finding privacy settings on the fourth. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be taken to this space right here. So in order to view the blocked users, scroll down a bit. Under relationship, you will be finding this option called blocked users. Just go ahead and tap on it, and under here you will be finding all of the list of the blocked users. So just go ahead and look out for this list, and that is it. So this is how you find out your blocked users list on Rednote application, which is super easy and straightforward. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.